Hello YouTubers, this is Manoj Chawla and you are watching MacNodes. Here I am with another interesting video. Today we will develop a tool in under 5 minutes to download videos or movies from YouTube. One video or 100 videos. You just name it, this tool downloads it for you with one click. Let's start developing the code. Firstly, we need to import PyTube module. It is a lightweight, dependency-free Python library for downloading YouTube videos. If the PyTube is not pre-installed, you can install it with the help of PIP, that is Preferred Installer Program. By using the command pip3 install PyTube, you can install it. The next one is path variable. It holds the location of videos to be downloaded. Here I am using my desktop as the path. And the next one is URLs. This URLs is a list that holds a list of URLs of videos to be downloaded from YouTube. You can paste any number of URLs. It may be 1 to 100. Here I am using try except block to display an error when any interruption occurs in the middle of downloading the video. The next one is inside the try block, I'm using a for loop. For each element in URL's list, the below code will be executed. Use pytube.youtube method to get details of the video with the URLs provided in it. To know the available streams of the video, just print video.streams.all. Now I am printing the available streams of the video. If you want to filter the streams with resolution or frames per second or MIME type, you can do it using command videos.streams.filter. The heart of the code, that is, the method to download the video is video.streams.getByItag.download. Pass the path in the download method and tag number in getByItag method. You can find the I tag in the available streams of the video. Each video has various streams. Each stream has different I tag numbers and its type and resolution types. It varies with various configurations. You can select any I tag based on the resolution or frames per second or MIME type you require to download the video. For the demo purpose, here I am selecting the I tag as 18 with the resolution of that video stream is 360 pixels and of MIME type video bar MP4. Before executing the code, I just wanted to show you that on my desktop, that is the path which I have mentioned in the code doesn't have any videos. That is, in my desktop, everything is empty. Once after execution of the code, you will be able to see the downloaded videos. I'm executing the code. Everything goes fine. Now you can see, right, it downloaded. Since I have selected low resolution and small videos, within seconds the videos are downloaded. You can download movies or videos from YouTube with just one click. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe. Bye YouTubers.